Do you feel your skin is dry and dull and you are looking for a new facial technology? Here we have come up with a new facial treatment called Cleopatra. Cleopatra is a new facial technology where we combine wet abrasion with wet microneedling. Cleopatra is a fractional bio-infusion system where we have 5 effective treatments in one device. The benefits of doing Cleopatra are reduce the appearance of signs of aging, minimize oiliness and pore size, brightens your dull skin, even out skin tone, improve the appearance of blemishes and skin texture concerns, deep and sustained hydration, firm, loose and flaccid skin, clear the inflamed skin with the help of appearance of breakouts. Cupping. This is a versatile tool where we relax, massage and stimulate lymphatic drainage for detoxification and lasting skin health.